Welcome another video dear viewers. An ideal fitness video for body maintenance is an uplifting display of commitment, discipline and enthusiasm for health and wellness. It underscores the significance of consistency, showcasing expertly performed exercise that help shape a tall physique. The video showcases the dedication and effort of the model, whose impeccable form and accuracy inspire viewers. Each movement highlights the importance of proper technique, making the video both informative and visually appealing. It combines motivation with fitness knowledge, encouraging everyone to pursue their personal best while appreciating the beauty of a well maintained body. So, his name is Mr. Nathan Zambon. See you another next video, next topic, dear viewer. Okay, take care yourself and bye bye.